In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix black screen high contrast error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. All you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. So as you can see, my window has been set into high contrast. And if you have faced an error as well, we'll be fixing it together. Okay? You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to open up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please navigate with the option called accessibility, and from here, under the accessibility, it is being composed of three components, which are vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we're dealing with the black screen high contrast, then we need to navigate with the contrast themes. So this setting is very crucial since in this way we would be able to fix the problem. So there you can see a first option which is contrast themes. Now aligning to it, you can see there an option. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key, okay, and go with none. Click on apply once you've set it, and please wait for some time until it would be applied here in our windows. Once it is being applied, there you have that. You have just successfully fixed the black screen high contrast in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your black screen high contrast error in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you and have a good day everyone.